I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather. After seasonal highs in the mid-30s to around 40 and northwest wind gusts to 35 to 45 this afternoon, chances of snow showers from west central to eastern Nebraska and over north central Kansas diminish to flurries tonight. Any snow accumulations look to be minimal. Tomorrow is cooler with highs up around 30, possibly with a few flurries. A warm front boosts our highs into the 40s Friday. Behind a cold front, highs over the weekend drop into the low to mid-30s. Low pressure tracking southeast may bring light snow Saturday to locations from west central Nebraska into northwest Kansas. A ridge of high pressure warms our highs into the low to mid-40s for Monday, the upper 40s to around 50 on Tuesday, a warming trend that's increasingly likely to last until at least February 1st. The milder trend continues through the long-term forecast. Warmer than normal temperatures likely for Nebraska and Kansas Monday through the first 4 days of next month, especially the early days of February. By early February in central Nebraska, daytime highs are typically in the upper 30s. Overnight lows are usually in the mid-teens. It also looks to be mostly dry from Monday through February 4th, with below normal precipitation for Nebraska and Kansas. Key weather factors the markets are watching include cold air departing the U.S., long-term heavy rain in central Brazil, and isolated rain for Argentina. In the Corn Belt this morning, there were widespread sub-zero temperatures in the Ohio Valley and lower Great Lakes. Cold weather across the eastern half of the U.S. slowly eases. The threat of frost and light freezes in Florida's Citrus Belt, though, persists into Friday and Saturday mornings. By the end of the week, temperatures across the rest of the central and eastern U.S. are back to near or above normal levels. Weekend rain should develop in the south, mainly from eastern Texas to the southern Appalachians. Elsewhere, mostly dry weather should prevail the next 5 days in the Midwest, central and southern plains, and the Atlantic coast. Looking long-term, several clippers spread snow showers next week through the Great Lakes. The southern U.S. is active with mostly rain next week, some of it heavy. Most temperatures in the U.S. next week are expected to be mostly warmer than normal. Mississippi River water levels are lower, but still above the low water mark. Limited precipitation could cause transportation disruptions during the late winter. Central Brazil's early soybean harvest is off to a slow start due to late planting and heavy rain. Heavier rain continuing in central Brazil next week into early next month could cause quality issues for soybeans and delays for planting second crop corn. Towards southern Brazil, rain increases in coverage later this week and this weekend, a benefit for filling crops, but also delaying the harvest. In Argentina, spotty rain and highs approaching 100 continue to stress crops with more declines in crop conditions. With the check of your ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.